Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakay. Hey, so we are here with another video. It's a video I have always wanted to do but never got around to doing, and it's gonna be the what is on my iPhone video. So if you guys are interested in watching that, please keep watching. I have the iPhone 7 Plus and it is in rose gold. This is it. I have this clear case on it. I'll be having a phone case collection, so you guys can check that out. That's gonna come out after this video. So whatever I'm showing you guys will be over here. Alright, so as you can see on my screen, I have haha, you don't know my password. And then when you open my phone, on my first page, you will see phone, then messages, then FaceTime, Bible study. And this is my Bible that I use. So this Bible is called Olive Tree, as you can see. And I love this Bible because it has all sorts of versions. As you can see, it has ESV, but I normally use the King James version and the NIV version. Alright, then you have music, and this app I use a lot. And right now my apps aren't really organized. I normally have them organized, trust me, I do, but right now I don't. But anyways, right, I have a lot of music in here. Then I have Safari, camera, and yeah. So I have camera, photo, I have settings, clock, app store, Facebook, and I don't normally give out my Facebook. Yeah, so I have Facebook, TikTok. Yeah, I have quite a few TikToks, I think. I have 80 something. So I have 82. So if you guys want to check me out on that, you guys can. Yeah. Anyways, alright, after TikTok I have Pinterest, then Twitter. Yes, so I have a lot of things saved. I have recipes, house goals, makeup goals, cute outfits, nails, because I love nails, and we have makeup looks, stuff like that in my Pinterest. Then we have Twitter. If you guys would like to follow me on Twitter, links are down below, or you can just type in BratsK1. So this is my Twitter page. This is my account thingy. As you can see, I don't quite do a lot on Twitter. I try, but I really try. Yeah. Anyways, then I have Yubo. That's some you meet people that use Snapchat off of it. So yeah. And then I have Tumblr, Lively, that is used with TikTok. I have YouTube Studio because which YouTuber don't have YouTube Studio on their phone? We Heart It. I have Reddit, Bitmoji, and Regrammar. Then down at the bottom I have Snapchat. And if you guys would like to add me on Snapchat, it is Bailey Shauna K, BratsK, as you guys can see. Yeah, so let's take a Snapchat of you guys. Let you guys see where I am. Alright guys, and then after Snapchat I have my WhatsApp, then I have YouTube, and you guys are watching me on YouTube. Then I have my Instagram, which is Brats Baby Girl. Yeah, Brats Baby Girl. So you guys can add me there, Brats Baby Girl. I have what, 377 posts, so go like. Thanks. Alright guys, so on my next page I have mostly games. So I have Emoji Blitz, and this is like one of my favorite games. Like, I play this so much, but I'm trying to reach where Tovia is. Yes, Tovia, shout out to you. I'm trying to get to you, but like, Tovia is like the best player I know on this thing, so I'm trying to reach her, but it's not working. Anyways, so it's a Disney game. It's quite fun. You collect emojis and stuff like this. By the way, not sponsored. Yeah, so it's a fun game, really fun game, trust me. All right, then I have Virtual Families 2, Sukio, Toon Blast. Toon Blast is also very fun. I love to play that one. Kendall and Kylie episode. Alright guys, now as I was saying, we have chapters, Merge Plane, Bubble Witch 3, Farm Heroes, Subway Surf, Racing Fever, Homescapes, Pineapple Tiles, Merge Plane, Wordy, Candy Crush, and WordLink. WordLink and Wordy are kind of similar. WordLink and Wordy is like you match words. So right now I am trying to win this. Ooh, I got a word. Thanks for the luck. Then I have IMVU. I usually have this on my laptop, which I need to put back because I kind of reset my computer. So I need to download that again. I have Asphalt 9, Matchington Design, and this is a fashion design store. I want to be a fashion designer someday, so might as well try to do it on a game. So yeah, this is my store, which is currently empty. Bad me. Then I have Messenger, and then I have App Event, something that you can actually download apps from. Yeah. Anyways, then on my next page I have Netflix, Room Planner. Then I have Wish. I have Amazon, eBay, Maps, Google Maps, Wattpad, Scotiabank, Caribbean, I think. Then I have my Digicel because it's a digital phone. Uber. I have PC, which is a period calendar tracker. I have Notes, iTranslate, Share It, Calculator, Calendar, Reminders, Watch, which is Apple Watch, but I don't have an Apple Watch, so. News. Then I have Wallet, iTunes Store, Health, and then Weather. And then when I go onto my other page, I have podcasts, books, videos, tips, documents, files. Then I have logo Foundry, and this is where I made my logo. And this, let's see if I can show you my logo. It's SB, but it has, what is this? Oh, I don't want to download you. Anyway, so this is my logo. It's an S and a B with a lady putting on like mascara or something. So yeah, that is my logo. And then I have Find iPhone, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, and those are all mail stuff. iMovie, which I use. These are the things now I use to edit like my videos to put on YouTube or edit photos. Yeah, so I have iMovie, Clips, Pocket Video, Fonto, which I used to make my thumbnails, Font, like you used to make moving text, something like that. I have Dub Smash, Retrica, Photo Blender, Retrica Camera. I have Facetune 2, Font Candy, and I have Photo Grid. Then on my last page I have Fiesco, I have Piclay, Canva, and those are also photo editing apps. I have Voice Memos, Contacts, Compass, Find Friends, Stocks, GarageBand, Keynote, Pages, iTunes U, Home, Numbers, Measure, Inches, yes. Then I have Magic Photos, Followers, LinkedIn, CuteCut Pro, which is also a video editing app. I have Audio Mac, and in my Audio Mac right now for my offline I have I have these nice little songs, mostly Little Mix, because I did this just to get these songs. Yeah, I love Little Mix. So. Then I have Color Bump 3D, which is a game I downloaded just last week. And I have Collab Space, which is it's a new app. It looks like it's a new app. I don't even know what it is, but you can have depending on where you are in YouTube, which I'm not yet there, so I haven't gotten to use it yet. You can collab with others, depending on what they post, so you can find persons to collab with on it. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Back and check out my phone case collection, which I'll be doing in another video. And if you have not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Subscribe. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.